What's the meaning of catacombs? Catacombs. Catacombs.
Catacombs. Catacombs. Catacombs refer to an underground system of tunnels, chambers, and galleries that are used for the purpose of burying the dead. These tunnels are often lined with tombs and crypts, and can be found in many different cultures and societies throughout history. The word catacomb comes from a Latin term meaning among the tombs. Today, catacombs often serve as tourist attractions or cultural landmarks, providing insight into the history and customs of the people who created them.